Semester 3 English Review Grade 4 from week 1 and week 2.
Thank you. So students, can you guys tell me some of your vocabulary words for these 2 weeks? Yes, Muhammad? Rotates. What else?
Phases.
Okay. Series. Okay.
Telescope.
Telescope. Crescent. Very good. Yes, Noor? Astronomer. Excellent. What else? Kareem? Specific. What else? Any other words you haven't said?
Crescent.
Yes? Sliver. Okay. All right, you've said them all. Now, can you explain them to me? Can you explain them to me?
The air.
Okay. So can someone tell me about one of the words? Let's start with the first one. Let's start with phases. Yes, Jad?
Phases means phases of the moon.
Okay. So what else can we say instead of phases of the moon? Yes?
For a life cycle. For example, first phase of the butterfly life cycle is the caterpillar. Second phase is the banana phases look like.
That's okay. So first the butterfly hatches from its egg into a caterpillar, and then from a caterpillar it makes a and then it makes a cocoon, and then becomes out of the cocoon hatches a butterfly, and those are phases or stages, right? So we can say phases of the moon, or the phases of the butterfly life cycle, or the phases of the frog life cycle, right? So these are phases or stages. Okay, very good. Now let's go to astronomer. Who can tell me what an astronomer is? Yes?
Astronomer looks to the moon and stars.
So he studies
Studies
the moon.
and stars.
Okay, very good.
Wants to be an astronomer.
Very good. What about series? Yes.
Like Harry Potter books have series.
Okay, so if we have many books with the same main title, they are a series of books. Okay, very good. So like Harry Potter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, yes? Rotates. What can you tell me?
Earth rotates
On
on its axis.
on its axis. Okay, so what does it mean to rotate? Yes? Oh, do papers usually rotate on their own? What about your chairs? Very good. Very good. So your chairs rotate like Earth. And what about a soccer ball? Does it rotate?
Yes, we can repeat it in our previous.
Like who usually rotates a soccer? It's a basketball. Okay, so basketball players rotate balls on their fingers. Okay. Now, let's look at this picture here with the guy shooting at the target. What is he doing? Yes, Rihanna? At a what? At a specific target. Very good. So when we look for a specific target, it's something certain. It's something. Does he know if it's specific, does he know what it is?
Yes.
If you like a specific food, is it a certain food? Do any of you here like a specific food?
Yes. Yes.
Who likes a specific food? Yes? Do you like a specific food?
Yeah.
Like what? What's your specific food? Like some people eat hamburgers, but they can't have any tomatoes on it. That's specific. Yes. What? Meat? Do you like it done in a certain way?
Yeah.
Like sometimes you have it well done, or rare, or medium rare?
all.
You like them all, so it's not specific. You like it all, right? Okay. Who likes a specific type of food? Yes, Jad.
I like crispy.
Crispy, chicken crispy. Does it have to be from a certain place?
No.
It doesn't have to be from KFC, so it's not
Yes,
specific. It has to be, so then it's specific. Yes? You like nuggets at home or at a certain place, like McDonald's or somewhere? At home, so it has to be from home, so it's specific. Yes.
Burger.
What kind of burger?
Chicken burger.
It has to be chicken, it can't be hamburger,
Yes.
so it's specific.
Without tomato.
And you have to have tomatoes on it?
No.
You don't want tomatoes or you want tomatoes? What?
It doesn't want any tomato.
Nothing on it? So it's specific.
I like crispy without the hot.
Okay, it can't be spicy, so it's specific.
Chicken sub.
Chicken sub? Specific chicken sub?
I like chicken
From where?
From the house.
From the house. Okay.
Hamburger, but I don't like
Okay, let's go to the next word. Telescope. Who can tell me about a telescope? What is a telescope? Who can tell me what a telescope is? Yes.
It's a thing that we use to see stars.
Okay.
It helps us to see something far, to see it closer.
Okay, very good. So it's an instrument we use to see far objects that we can't see with the naked eye. Very good. Okay, and can someone tell me what sliver is? What's sliver? What's sliver? Yes, Jawad.
It's a sliver of cake.
Okay, like a sliver of cake.
A small of cake.
A small piece or a thin piece of something is called a sliver.
A sliver of cheese.
Okay, you can say a sliver of cheese.
A sliver of light.
Okay, a sliver of light passes through. Okay.
Sliver of meat.
A sliver of meat. Okay, what about crescent?
Sliver of the cheese.
What is crescent? What type of shape is a crescent? Yes, Noor.
Banana.
Like a banana? What else can you call it? Yes? Like a croissant, like a French pastry? Like a crescent moon, or it's a
Noodles.
like a curved shape. So, I'm going to show you some pictures and I'm going to ask you what you see, what it is they are called, what other name they have, and how you can explain how they are formed. Okay, so here are the pictures. Okay, so what do you see? Yes, Fadil? What do you see? Not what it's called. Yes?
Weird colorful lights.
Weird, colorful lights. Very good. They are weird. Weird, colorful lights. Okay. Now, what are they called, Fadil? Yes. Aurora borealis. And what other name do they have? What do we call them, Muhammad?
Northern lights.
The northern lights. Can anyone explain how these lights are formed? Can you explain it? Yes, Alex?
The sun gives energy, and the energy goes into the magnetic field, which provides light.
Okay, so the winds from the magnetic field and those particles that are negatively charged give off light. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Okay, we talked about, what is this called? Meteors. They're shooting stars. Okay, can anyone give me any more information about a meteor? Can you give me information about a meteor? Yes, Hassan?
When a meteorite enters Earth,
What makes it light up? What makes it light up? Yes.
burn up.
Very good. And that produces light. Would anyone like to make any more comments about a meteor? Yes?
Meteors are made out of stone, dust, frozen gases, and ice.
Excellent, Alex. Excellent. So there's the meteor. Have you ever seen one?
Yes.
Maybe?
Yes.
Yes? You've seen a shooting star?
Not in real life. Yes.
Not in real life, on movies?
I see one.
You've seen one?
Me too.
You've seen them?
Next to the curtain.
Okay. Okay, next we talked about comets. Let's look at some pictures. What does a comet look like?
Light.
It's light, and what does it have? A tail.
Wearing a long hair.
Oh, very good. And who named it Comet? Do you remember his name?
The Greek philosopher.
What's his name?
I know. Professor Aristotle.
Aristotle. Very good. Very good. Would you like to say anything else about comets?
Yes, the word comet came from a Greek word that means wearing long hair.
Yes, as Karim was saying. Yes.
Comets are a mixture of rock, dust, ash, and frozen gases that orbit the sun.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, can someone please read for me some of these words? We'll start with you, Philippe. Noises. Destroy. Pound. Wound. Okay. Frown. Voices. Voyage. Hound. Grouch. Howling. Rejoice. Mound. Very good. Pouch. Cowboy. Flower. Annoy. South. Thousand. Gown. Tower. Okay, now I want you to read these, and I want you to see which are the misspelled words. There are 6 of them in these 2 paragraphs. So, who can see one?
I can see one yes.
Okay, very good.
I can see thousands.
So we are going to underline voyage.
I can see cowboy. Cowboy. I can see cowboy. Miss Mound. I can see mound.
Mound.
Rejoice. I
Howling.
can see cowboy. Let's go, boys. Cowboy.
Is cowboy spelled wrong?
Yes, over here.
Very good, excellent. Any other ones?
No.
We got all 6? Excellent. Okay, everyone. I'd like you to tell me about a place you would like to visit. And we're going to write about it. Some place you would like to see, and I want you to use some of the spelling words. So you have the list in front of you. And I would like to just listen to a couple of your sentences. Yes.
I have the voyage to Hawaii.
So let's call it Hawaii. Hawaii. Is that a good title?
Yeah.
Okay. So should we say?
One day.
One day.
I had a voyage to Hawaii.
I would like to see Hawaii.
When I
Okay, don't forget we have to use some of the spelling words.
see the volcano, I go up to the tower.
I would like to see Hawaii. Can we say I would like to go on a voyage to Hawaii? That way we use some of the spelling words. Okay, so one day I would like to go on a voyage to Hawaii.
I climbed up the tower.
I visit the tower of the volcano.
What?
I visit the tower of the volcano.
So tower is one of the words we can use. Okay. I'd like to to visit
Tower.
a volcano
Tower.
that I can see from a tower. Very good. What else? What about the flowers in Hawaii? Are they interesting and exotic?
And I see flowers.
And I really like to, and I really like to visit those interesting flowers.
Okay, I'd love to see.
I go to the beach. I wear a tiara of flowers. And I see fish.
I like that. Did you hear him? He said, I'd like to buy a tiara of flowers. I'd like.
And I see fish in Hawaii.
I'd like to buy a tiara of flowers for who?
For my mom.
So how many words have we used so far? Voyage. Voyage. Oops.
Tower.
Voyage. Tower. Flowers. We need one more.
No.
What can we say?
I see.
How about money? How much money do you need?
Fish and go. 1,000.
Very good. So
the south of 1,000 money.
I would need
1,000 of 1,000.
$1,000.
Of money. And go of money.
Okay, I would need $1,000 to travel and see the cowboys. Now at home in your weekly review sheets, you will have a question like this, so you can add a lot more to it. Here we don't have any more space, but I like your ideas, so you continue this at home. So students, we're going to circle the possessive pronoun that completes each sentence. Okay, if you know the answer, raise your hand. Okay, can you read it?
This computer is mine.
So we would circle mine. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Yes?
That is there's mother's car.
Which is the correct answer?
There.
Very good. There. The next one. Yes, Rihanna?
What is your number?
Which one do we circle?
Your.
Your. Very good. Very good. Okay, the next one. Yes, Fadil?
Come over our house after school.
So which one do we circle? Very good. Our. The last one. Yes, Muhammad?
Do you want a piece of my pizza?
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Okay, so he's pointing to him and he's pointing to himself.